Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In the video, I will teach you top 5 back and wings exercise. This will be a complete course starting from beginner level and progressing to advanced level. There will be a total of 6 and you will need to do the exercises of each level for 1 week. Also remember this, you should pick weight as much as you can lift easily. Let's start the video.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
Get ready. First exercise. First watch, do 12 times 2 sets. Do exercise both of sides equally.
Ready? Go!
First exercise.
To give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty.
Time for rest. Next exercise. First watch, do 12 times 2 sets.
Ready? Go!
Second exercise.
Every time I break, there's just more pain to burn. They'll never, never, never learn. Till the battle's won, till kingdom come. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty.
Time for rest. Next exercise.
'Cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty.
First watch, do 12 times 2 sets. Third exercise. Time for rest. Next exercise. First watch, do 12 times 2 sets.
Take me
Time for rest. Next exercise. First watch, do 12 times 2 sets.
Ready? Go!
Last exercise.